Your first piece of trick-or-treat candy. Yep. Let's go. Follow Daddy. Follow Daddy. Got a whole bunch of people behind us. Follow Daddy.
Looks like this place is closed for business too.
Yeah, it's the next house though. The next two are open.
Come on, Daddy.
Come on. A car. Let's walk forward, sweetie.
Hi.
You hold Mommy's hand?
My hand.
Okay. I'm not sure. I got the last one on tape. I'm going to hit the wrong button. We'll get your second Halloween house then, if we missed your first. Huh? Good. Go with Daddy.
Up here.
Be sure and have her say thank you.
Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Hard door.
Knock. Good job.
Come on up.
Little ones. Just grab one piece,
just grab one.
Caitlin, one piece. Want M&M's?
Come on, Daddy.
Good job. You say thank you? All right. Yep, and we only take one piece.
Did you get more candy, Nadia? More candy.